Alright, so let's see if I get this phone propped up here. Alright, so first responder garage. Where does the nonsense end, huh? So I take this apart, and I just like to go through things, make sure that they're clean from, machining or wherever they've been. And especially cheap parts. This is a cheap part, okay? So I go to take this apart, and I notice that the lock washers are kind of spread open a little. And I'm like, well, I just won't use them. And I know that the space of those lock washers can make that bolt bottom out, so I check it. Get the bolt. Put it in there. Bottom it out. That's it. That's as far as it goes. So, why is that important? Well, that's important because when I go to put the washer and the lock washer on, I got another one. There's a diaphragm in there that acts as a gasket. That isn't compressed completely. It'll leak. So I got this tight, and it's still loose. So I'm going to have to tap these holes deeper and make sure that I can screw the bolt in all the way. So if you were just to put this on your car and it leaks fuel and you don't smell it, you don't catch it, you don't see it, it's not dripping on the ground, and it's going right on your exhaust header, that can pose an issue. Especially if it gets near the distributor. Then you'd really have a problem. So again, guys, I know it's been said over and over and over. Check your parts, go through them completely, thoroughly, and make sure they're put together properly, because I've found a few that weren't. So, all right. I'll see you guys later.